Today we're doing an install of one of our Trailmax roof rack systems to this FJ Cruiser. This is Harrop Engineering's vehicle, and by the time we've got our rack on it and they've finished their build, this is going to be one beast of a build. Installing one of our Trailmax roof rack systems, it's very similar from vehicle to vehicle. There's three main processes you'll have to go through. One is installing our rails onto the roof of the vehicle. Step two is assembling the platform because it comes in a boxed form. And then number three would be taking that assembled platform and mounting that on our roof rail system. Now it's time to install the mounting rails onto the roof of the FJ Cruiser here. On this particular vehicle, it's a bolt-on bracket using existing mounting holes in the vehicle, and then we'll be able to mount the platform. Okay, now we've opened up the packaging, we've laid everything out on the table here. You can see what comes with one of our Trailmax roof rack systems. Up the front here we have our front panel, we have our side covers here, we have our longitudinal members, we have our lateral members here, and our rear panel. Along the edge here we've got our stainless steel mounting hardware. We've got a couple of Trailmax straps that come with the kit. And we have some light mounting brackets also that come with the kit as well to mount light bars to front, rear and in the side on some of our options as well. Okay, now we've got our roof platform nearly fully assembled. Last thing to do is put our front corners on. These go either side of the front section here. Once they're on, we can then fully tighten all the stainless steel bolts by hand. This particular build, we're going to whack one of our 32-inch combat light bars on. The Trailmax roof rack system is designed so that it mounts directly onto the front here, comes with mounting brackets actually with the rack itself, and the combination of our combat light and the Trailmax is designed so that it's below the top of the rack, which means top loading can actually extend beyond the light without interfering with it. Now the light bar's on. These little light bars are an amazing product. They're actually modular, so each cell is an individual light that can connect together and you can make any configuration you want. Each pod is 1000 lumens 10 watt, and this one here is a 32-inch, which means it's 16 pods and it's 16,000 lumens. It's a combination beam, so we've got 25-degree spreads on the end. We've got 15-degree spots, and then in the middle we've got our 5-degree super spots. So these create an amazing light, both long distance and a wide angle spread. Now it's time to get this rack up and on the car. Okay, now we've got our roof rails mounted to the FJ Cruiser. It's time to grab the platform and lift it up into position. Now we've got the rack all mounted up. We've checked it out, we've tightened everything up, made sure everything's nice and firm. We've checked all the clearances. You can see the design of the rack, how it's got a nice slim profile that follows the contour of the roof. So we've got clearances all through there. We're all good to go. This one, as we noted before, has the combat light on the front, which you can see up here. We also have the option with our racks of putting pod lights in these holes along the side of the rack. Which we haven't gone with yet on this, but we might down the track. And also on the rear, the option of a rear slimline light bar as well. But she's all finished and ready to go back to Harrop for them to finish the build.